Hey loves, it is Chellbee. Welcome to my channel. And if this is your second, third, 14th, 15th, whatever time here, welcome back. I hope you've been here multiple times because you know I love you. Thank you so much for all my returning viewers and subscribers. If you have not subscribed but you viewed multiple videos, what are you waiting on? Click that button and subscribe. I'm not gonna bother you too much. I just post new videos every other Thursday. I'm also the blogger behind Chellbee.com, and I like to share videos every other Thursday of me and my faith journey. So typically I share Bible study with me videos. I also like to share Bible study tip videos, and I like to share studio vlogs. And today I am sharing another studio vlog, and we're on studio vlog 9. So let's hop right into it. So one of the things that I notice that slows me down when it comes to getting orders out in the morning, because I usually will send them off before work because for some reason they always seem to come in during the weekday. So one of the things that slows me down is getting all like my stickers on the packaging. So I took the time this day where I had some extra time to go ahead and put stickers on my envelopes, on my rigid mailers, and on my bubble mailers, so that would already be on there, and all I would have to do was just put the shipping label on there. And that has saved me so much time and made the process of packing orders a lot better. I definitely am going to try to stay in the habit of doing that because I really just need whatever obstacles that is going to possibly slow me down when it comes to packing orders removed. So if you do have a shop, I definitely would recommend going ahead and doing that prep work. It will change your day and your workflow for sure. right. And so now you actually see me assembling some Who God Says You Are sets. I did a really big restock. I really was trying hard to get the shop restocked in full with everything. And I did update my inventory on Etsy. So everything's available and the listings are up because I wanted to make sure everything was available and I wasn't running low on anything. And so as you can see, I had a lot of cards that I was making like a lot of sets that I made that day. And so I am just assembling the sets and adding all the cards. The Who God Says You Are sets are just huge. There's just no ends, ifs, or buts about it. I mean, it's just a large set. It is, I have condensed it down. I didn't remove any cards, but I did start printing back front and back for the affirmations and the Bible verses, which meant that it is less cards now. But it's okay. They look a lot better to me personally. I think they look better. I love the paper quality that I changed to, and the process is a lot easier and smoother for me as far as production. So I have loved the change, and I still have gotten good reviews and feedback about the cards. So I am happy that you guys are enjoying the new cards and the way that they look despite the change in the size. I know the 3x3s were just super cute and so small and all that good stuff, but it was not sustainable. So I had to make the change. So as you can see, I am going ahead and putting all the cards in their own cellophane bag. I did not seal them up because I round the edges of these cards and I did not have enough time to do that on this day. So I just at least wanted to have them in the bag so they can be protected and I can know they were all good. Have that peace of mind until I could round the edges. I hope you guys would agree, but I would say packing cards has become my favorite thing. Like, I just love assembling these sets and putting them together and seeing them all out. Oh my gosh. And every time I see the footage, I'm just like, oh my goodness, I did it. So I love this. I love sharing this. I hope you guys enjoy it. That's why I did make that like the majority of this video. It does take me a long time and I did actually speed this up. But I love it and I hope that you guys like watching it. I guess I will see. But assembling these sets are definitely one of my favorite things to do. I always end up having to take out sticky notes because somehow, some way, there always ends up being a card that, like a set that ends up missing some cards. I don't know how that always happens, but it always does. The printers do the craziest things. Like, I noticed that my printer just kept printing the same thing over and over, so I just ended up with like 30 of this card that was only supposed to be like 10 cards. Like, the printers just was doing some wonky stuff lately, so it's been interesting. But anyway, so I always end up taking the sticky notes out so that I can write down whatever cards are missing and fix it and add it to the set. I do see that the 4x6 set has still been doing really well in the shop and people seem to like that size, so I am happy about that. It is so much larger than the 3x3, so I just did not know what to expect when I made the change, so that's been like a nice like thing to see, it being well received. And I did not round the edges of these sets. I'm telling you, I just love rounded edges so much. I was so tempted to do it, but I decided to leave it alone because I know if someone wants to frame it, that rounding the edges would mess that up. So that is why this set is not rounded, in case you ever wondered. But if you ever order this set and you want the edges rounded, you can send me a message or put a message in your order, and I don't mind rounding it at all. That is not a problem. One of the things that I did recently, I added a cover card to the 4x6 set. I don't know why, but for some reason I didn't make one originally. So the 4x6 sets didn't have the cover card, the card that says "Who God Says You Are." It didn't have that, so I did go ahead and add that. I need to take a photo of the cover card because I don't have any photos of it in the shop because, like I said, I didn't create it with the cover card. So I did go ahead and add that, and I do like the way that it came out. I think it's a nice little addition to the set, and it just finishes it all up. So that is one of the things that I did want to make sure I mentioned, because I do love the way it came out. And as you can see now, I'm all of a sudden in my PJs. I just have this thing about getting in the shower in the midday. So I literally stopped working on this and got in the shower. So that's why the change of clothes. This was still the same day though.
Subscribe to my mommy channel. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.